So whenever the market gives you a signal that it abandons a box, which we've not closed down in this box, you want to think about the potential to reach the next box, and then obviously into the third box. So anybody who is using something like a moving average, understand that this 56 target, the IB low, initial push there, but on the rotation you can see that the boys are still gunning this to the long side. So I would say anybody who is playing long side, time and price, think about being done by that 56 to 58, anything above that, good fortune. And probably the best trades are done, shorts and longs for the day. Mentioned earlier about this idea of the 51.5. Said this should become an important idea. 51.5, 52, and so far it is. So we're suggesting this 48 support. And that's to hold captives any shorts who try re-entries and get squeezed a bit more. So the thrust since lunch has been up. Morning clearly went to the shorts, in the afternoon, lunch and early afternoon have gone to the longs for a bounce. And anytime we get this size bounce, immediately think, okay, day's range is in already. Anybody that got this 45 to 42 buy zone, make sure you're paid, and then if you have a trailer you can hang on to it a little bit, but reminder, there's a possibility that traders could be taking profits end of day. And if this turns out to be a Taylor Day 3, it's really a weird one, because this would be a sell, buy rhythm. And mainly because of the deep support that we ran into. And you never know until hindsight, but you know, you continue to evaluate it, and once you see this kind of a push, you know that, all right, not a bad idea. We had said originally that if we got to the 50 area, you know, that would be a good trade based on the tunnel through time chart we looked at, and you can see we really did not, you know, hold anything below 48 in terms of a close on this chart, and that's a 120 chart. So bounce back to the blue line. Tough usually to get through three lines all at once. 1, 2, 3. It takes time for these type rotations. If you had a good day, it is time to protect profits. If you did not, because you got too aggressive or because you weren't here or whatever, for sure you should be sidelined for the close. Remember, this is about staying power. It's not just about any one day or any one trade.